Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Out here, way out here in Niceville today, rebuilding someone's fence. The homeowner built this fence himself 15 years ago, and it looks like they did a pretty good job. You see, it takes us a minute to get it all cut down. They said 15 years ago it was a little hard building their own fence, and that they said after all that time they ain't doing it again. I sure am glad they didn't want to build it again, because it gave me a job. You see us here, running the skill saw and the sawzall and cutting the whole length. We already took down the other like 3/4 of yard, 3/4 of their fence, but you see us here cutting it all up into pieces. That way they're in manageable sizes. We'll be hauling these up out of the yard. We already got one trailer load hauled off. We probably got half of the old fence taken away. Now you see me here with the close-up. I don't recommend anybody try to use a skill saw this fast. It looks dangerous. See us here? That looks like a whole new kind of shadow box, doesn't it? Oop, not anymore. Never mind. Knocked it all down. There they go. If I could figure out how to fast forward on the job, I could work 2 hours and go home. See here, I'm trying to avoid having to dig too many holes, and we slap the post all around and get them broke loose from the concrete and pull them up. That sometimes works. Sometimes it busts into a bunch of pieces and you still have to dig a hole anyway. All our materials on the side of the road, because you ain't getting them in the yard. Well, we are getting them in the yard, but not with a tractor. With a dolly and manpower. Man. All the posts in the ground and the 2x4s out. Now it's time for lunch. And then we'll be nailing this back up as soon as possible so the nice folks next door can let their dogs back out. Because they're not so contained right now.
And there's no way to get to the second floor to
Poor muffin.
What happened?
She ran into the camera. She ran into the camera. Did you kill your new friend, buddy?
Is she okay?
Yeah.
It smells so bad in this place.
But the bug's not.
I don't know if that sound means the neighbor's dog are thanking us for getting the fence back up, or if he's trying to eat a hole through it. What do you think? He's just happy to see us. got this front set ready to put in a gate right over there. That's about it out here for today. Now we're gonna go, we got everything loaded up and locked down, and a big chunk of our materials hauled away. That's another chunk. So we got another trailer load of that, and finished building their fence across the back, up the other side, and the fronts.